Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Regan and today we are unboxing a guitar I bought off the internet here in Japan. Give you a little backstory. Coming to Japan to meet my wife's family and spend a couple of years learning the language. I came through a few unfortunate mishaps and housing issues, because housing is actually terrible nowadays. And I had to get rid of all my instruments, which helped me fun coming out here, but at the same time, it's, as any artist or musician will tell you, it's a pain in the ass. So one of my favorite possessions was my 12-string Yamaki guitar. This guitar was made, I think, around the 60s, throughout the 70s, and they were sued by Yamaha for making a guitar that looked almost identical to it, and they had to go out of business. So I found this. I bought this for 250, well, 25,000 yen, close to 300 Canadian. It's hard buying over the internet. It's one of those things that you just never know. The case is quite old, but that's what they told me. It is a 50-year-old guitar. So we're going to have to see how everything turns out. A little worried because, of course, buying over the internet is one of those situations where you just don't know what you're going to get. So far, I have restarted my collection. I've just been buying a few things that are cheap. I bought a K-Guy Garage Acoustic. Ooh, it needs a little bit of tuning, of course. I paid 25 bucks for this in a used store because the equalizer doesn't work. But it sounds great for the guitar. And I bought this Les Paul knockoff from Buskers. It's a Japanese company. It is one of their older models. I've got some new knobs on it, cleaned her up a bit. And I bought a Marshall amp. I don't know, see behind me here. It's just a small little valve state. One of their older ones. I paid altogether 220 bucks for the guitar and the amp. This is one of their older ones. The newer ones are a lot crappier. I have to admit, they just look terrible. This still has the nice pearl inlay in it. You know, at least this ones are designed a little bit better than the other ones. But let's see. Sorry, I'm wearing my hat today. I am Mr. Mom, taking care of my kid while my wife is out of town, and I just don't feel like doing my hair. Now, the big test. Is this worth $250 including shipping? Well, it's got a nice, beautiful, fuzzy case. Let's see. Ooh, it's got a better height, or a little less height than my original one. It is lighter. Beautiful back finish on it. Now, a little smaller than my other one. This is the Deluxe Folk Edition, 12-string. These are made with, they were made with Canadian wood, redwood. But this one looks a little different. Now, the question is, oh, she needs a little bit of tuning. Well, I'm going to have to give it a little bit of tune and check how it goes. After that, I will show you how it sounds. But I guess for $250 for a 50-year-old guitar, it's got no cracks, little bit of bumps, but looked like it's been well played and taken care of. I have to say I am happy for my 50-year-old guitar. Thank you very much for coming by. I hope you guys enjoy your day. You don't have to like and subscribe my channel. If you'd like to help me out, like and subscribe the link to my wife's channel. It is not as restricted as mine because me and Google have a history. And yeah, I want to thank you guys again for coming by and have a great day.